Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Smartass Sass for June. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so June's Smartass Sass just arrived. I do need to disclaimer, this is a sassy box that might have some tasteful cuss words or foul language. So if you're not into that kind of thing, or you have little ones around you, you might want to earmuff them, something like that. But I may be saying some bad words because this box is this what's in here, and I love it. So on this side it says well-behaved women seldom make history, and it says classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy, which that is so me. And let's go ahead and open this up. I love how it always says drop it like it's hot, but not literally. It's fragile. And of course I love the color of their box. It's always this teal, which is my favorite color. So let's go ahead and get on in here, cut the tape, and see what is in the June box, shall we? You guys, I love, love, love this box. Now, I do have to say congratulations to Smartass Sass because they are one of the winners of the Year of Boxes for 2019. And I did print out the list of them. And I get quite a few of these boxes, you guys. But Smartass Sass is voted the best woman's lifestyle box. So congratulations to them for making that. They got that award for 2019, and that is amazing. And I'm so glad that I'm a part of them because I just love this box. Now, if you would like to know, they do 3 different subscriptions. You can do the shirt only for $15.95. You can do the box without the shirt for $34.95, or you can get the whole shebang like I do for $49.95. And they love funny shit, cuss words, and treating themselves. Boxes ship between the 16th and the 18th of every month. And I love that they are 2 best friends that curate this box together. So it's an amazing story. It's an amazing company. They have the best customer service. They have the best products inside. So let's go ahead and see what this month brings us. Smartass Sass. Okay, so this is the inside of this month. They always have the product cards and then some pretty packaging going on. So let's see here. And this month's theme is Here Comes Trouble. And they always do give you a little sneak peek on next month. July's theme is For Fox's Sake. Next month, we're pulling out the puns. Sip, sip, hooray. July's goodies are focused on being subtly snarky. I can't wait. I love every single box so far. I'm always loving. They do give you all of what is inside with the pricing. So let's go ahead and move some of this prettiness and see. Ooh, right on top, Here Comes Trouble shot glass from Smartass Sass. This oversized 3-ounce glass is perfect for getting into trouble with your favorite liquor or condiment. It has a matte glaze with a luster mist to keep you looking classy. And this bad boy is top rack dishwasher safe. And this is valued at $8, and it is my favorite color. And I love this. This is going to be my new shot glass. Nobody better touch this in my house. This is my shot glass, and it's my color. You can't mistake it. So that is awesome. And I love that it's a bigger size, not those chintzy little small shot glasses, because I like taking big shots. So there's item number 1. I'm already loving this box, you guys. All right, so right on top, you should see my active bitch face. That is so cute. Don't take order. Oh, nope, that's the wrong thing. That's the other side. Active Bitch Face Pouch from Emily McDowell and Friends. Now your resting bitch face can pull out your active bitch face anytime you want. This colorful pouch is 8x5 by 5x5, 100% cotton with a cotton lining, has a gold zipper, and is printed on both sides. Watch out, world. Valued at $16. So it's the same print on both sides, which that is really cool. It has a little pull tab here, the gold zipper, and it's all white lined inside. So there is item number 2, and that is so cute. You should see my active bitch face. That is so cute. Okay, next item right on top, we have a pin set for the losers in your life. You've already peaked. Why are you telling on me? Everyone's judging you. You're for sure getting fired. I can't get fired. That idea is garbage. Your face is weird. I can't get fired because my boss is my other half, so I can't get fired. So that is really, really fun. There's all of those different pins right there, and they are the little clicky pins. This says Demotivational Pin Set from Fun Club. An amazing set of 5 pins with demotivational sayings to motivate all of your coworkers. You're already peaked. Everyone is judging you. Oh, so it goes with the same one. This is $10.50. So again, you have all 5 pins. This is valued at $10.50. And you can use code SMARTASS for 20% off shopfunclub.com. And the bag, you can use code SASS, SASS 20 for 20% off your first order from now until August 31st at emilymcdowell.com for this bag right here. And then the shot glass is from Smartass and Sass, so you could probably purchase it from their website because they do sell pretty much all of their products and their shirts and everything on their website that you can purchase directly. If you don't want to jump into the subscription box, you can follow my link and you can still purchase anything from their site. So let's go ahead and see. They have been putting in some really cute sticky notes in them, and I am so loving them. They are Post-it brand sticky notes. And this month we have, I don't take orders, I barely take suggestions. That is so cute. I don't take orders, sticky note. Keep track of all your to-dos and remind everyone that suggestions will be taken into consideration. Maybe. 50 sheets, 3x3 pad, valued at $3. Maybe. I just love this box. Okay, so next we have this washi tape, and it's flipping you off. I'm like, I didn't know what to do. Here, you can just look at it yourself. It's flipping you off. Middle finger washi tape from Unblushing. Sometimes you just need your thirsty middle finger to do the talking for you. This washi tape is for telling any task or coworker to fuck right off. That's what it says. Valued at $4.50. Tell them just to go right off. F you. I love that. Woo! This speaks to me. Like, I feel right at home when I'm reading all this stuff. Like, really? Smartass and Sass. Unapologetically me. Is that what that says? It's really small writing. Unapologetically Me roll-on from Smartass and Sass X Scented Studio. We partnered with Scented Studio again to create a custom sassy scent for subscribers. This blend has a sweet rain, Arabian sandalwood, luscious orange blossom, and desire oils. In this 5 milliliter bottle is perfect for tossing in your bag, valued at $6.95, and use SASS, SASS 19 for 20% off at scentedstudios.com. So you have this little roller perfume. Let's see here. Ooh, that does smell good. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, yes. I love that. I like getting these little ones you can just roll around, a little dabble do ya, and just nice and refreshed. So that is amazing. Next item we have in here, and then it's the shirt, you guys. This looks like some kind of a book or a journal. Let's get this opened. And it says, underestimate me, that'll be fun. How cute. And it's like actually incest. No, it's not incest. It's it's inset. It's like pushed into the thing, like engraved almost in. I don't even know what to say now with that. I don't know what in the world, but definitely none of that. That's for sure. Holy moly. Okay. And then inside it is all lined paper, and it has a whoop-de-woo to mark your page. Oh, there's a little pocket to even put some stuff in. And then you have this to close it. So you have a page marker, you have a thing to keep it closed, and there's even a little pocket. That is really cool. Underestimate Me journal from Smartass and Sass. Go ahead, try it. That'll be fun. This sassy journal is a 5x5 by 5.5 by 8.25 inch journal, and it is totally decked out with a ribbon, bookmark, elastic closure, and an accordion pocket for your favorite stickies. This cover is fox leather, and you've got 80 lined pages to jot down your shit list, valued at $15. So you can get this from Smartass and Sass as well. Just like the shot glass and just like the sticky notes, you can purchase directly from their website. So next item we have is the shirt, and I love getting these shirts. So let's see what this month brings us. You guys ready? I like the color. It's like a pinkish, purplish, lavenderish, all rolled into one-ish. And, ooh, let's see, what does it say? It says, well-behaved women seldom make history, just like what is on their box that I read to you guys every time. That is really cool. Yay! So we have this amazing shirt. And again, this would be valued at $15.95, because if you were to just get the shirt only subscription, it's $15.95. So we have the shirt, we have this really fun journal, no incest about it. We have this F-off tape. We have a smells really good roll-on perfume. We have a really cute sticky notes. We have my new favorite shot glass. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this. I love this, you guys. We have a set of 5 pins. We have a bag, and that is everything this month. So I really love this theme. This month is so cute. My favorite has got to be, other than the shirt, because I always love their shirts, I would say the journal and this my new shot glass. I like the bag too. You should see my active bitch face. That is really cute. The pin set's cute. I mean, everything is cute. I love this box. I love this box, and I am so excited that they made the Best Woman's Lifestyle Box Award. That is awesome. So you guys, I do have a link down below. You can follow that to their website. You can purchase the subscription box, or you can purchase just the items from their website directly. So that is awesome. And yeah. So if you want to check out next month and grab that before they sell out, and that is for Fox's Sake. That is the theme for next month. And I can't wait. Like I said, they have the coolest little themes. Everything is stuck to the theme. I love their snarky little sassy stuff in here. It's right up my alley. I mean, it might not be for everybody, but it is definitely for me. So I really enjoy it. And I love this box. This is on my top 3 favorite boxes. If you guys would ask me something, my 3 that I would keep, this is definitely one of them. So I love my Smartass and Sass. Comment down below, what was your favorite item? Do you like this box? Do you get this box? Do you want to get this box? Let me know down below what you guys think. What is this? Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And you can stick around and see more of my videos. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.